Here is the F-150 strut. Here are these studs I'm talking about that go on the bottom of the control arm. It's already got the spacer on the top. Now, these are, the studs are angled bad. You can't get in there and bend them. And the instruction says to pry them with the pry bar. And I'm gonna tell you what, that don't work either. Now, I'm gonna try to get this in here with one hand. And I'm going to show you how to easily turn these studs around. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the studs in the bottom like it's supposed to go in, and all I'm going to do, let me see if I get that angle. All I'm going to do is pull back to about right there. Now you see where the studs at, the strut's at. It's at an angle. It's leaning towards me. So when I go put it in, the studs would be correct in the correct location.